Hey my homies, welcome back. Do you hear the echo? Echo? Maybe. Sorry I've been gone. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk. I was gonna say sorry I've been gone so long. Did you guys miss me? I missed you guys. I just moved into my first place, so you guys will be seeing it. I don't know if I want to show it in this vlog or I might do a whole separate video. This is just gonna be a kind of behind the scenes vlog. I just got my bed, and I mean, I'll do some sneak peeks. This is my filming room. Oh, you guys can see the clothing rack. I'm really excited to get back to full-time YouTube. I'm just gonna get some work done in this. But yeah, let's put my bed together. I moved in 2 days ago, so for how much stuff I have unpacked already, I'm really proud of myself because I made some pretty good progress. It's been a lot of unpacking, and then so don't laugh at, look, this is what we're working with right now. It just came in, so I'm gonna put it together, and this will be fun if you guys can do it. You guys can see the before and after. I kept everything pretty neutral because my style is pretty, I want to say contemporary. I definitely like contemporary, minimal, modern, all those things. It feels so good to have a place that's yours. It's definitely, ooh, that was my back. Ouch, it feels so good. I'm hoping this bed does not require too many crazy tools because all I have are these screwdrivers. But I did get a studded headboard. I love interior design. You guys will learn that because I love things that look pretty, obviously. Let me show you. Look at this. Look at the studs. So it goes all the way around the headboard. I ordered this and it came in 2 days, which is fantastic. It was pretty heavy, but I'm a strong woman. I'm a strong woman, I got it. Is it just a headboard, or is it like designed in a way where it's like hiding in the back? Ugh. Okay, I think all the pieces are like zipped back here. And this is not sponsored, I'm just showing you guys a behind the scenes. Okay. Instrucciones. Important! Please read this! Aside for assembly. Assembly. And in the headboard is all of the pieces. At the parts, and I see Allen keys. So I don't even think I'm going to need screwdrivers, which is nice. I put all the trash in this corner and all the parts are neatly laid out. This is a headboard. And then these right here, these two black ones, are gonna connect in the back right there and right there.
Forgotten.
Finished putting the bed together. This is what it looks like, and I'm so hungry. I'm making fried rice for lunch. Let me show you what I'm cooking. I want to do more cooking videos so you guys can see what I make. Add all the ingredients. So let's do egg, and let's do the meat and the onion. And now we're gonna mix it. I can't wait to eat this. I do not know how this is gonna taste, but I hope it tastes good. Oh my god. Time to taste my food. Let's clean it. Let's try this food. You ready? Yum. Mmm, that's good. It's so hot.
Slowly